Hey, it's Erin from MyFreezEasy and want to show you how you can review and print your meal plan after you have selected all your recipes. So I have a freezer to slow cooker meal in the makings here, and I have four. I'm going to add five because five recipes doubles to make 10 meals worth going into my freezer. So I'm going to come over here and double check everything. I have my serving sizes defaulted to 6 because we have a family of 6. You can make an adjustment in your account. Check out that feature video in the support features list. We have information on how to do that there. But for here, once I have reviewed and finalized this list, I can make final adjustments to serving sizes here. You can print your meal plan. In that case, it will download a PDF file to your computer that then you can print to the printer associated with your computer. You can also print that labels file. Let me just give you a quick peek at these. Here's the plan we just created, and here are the labels that we just created.